Hey, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can work your affiliate account inside of YepText. So if you've created an affiliate account already, all you have to do is click on the affiliates tab right here. And this will be inside of your account. And inside of your affiliates tab, it'll give you a few cool features. And some of those features are you have your own promo code that you could have people use when they're purchasing to receive a discount, your affiliate URL, and my favorite part is you could offer new client discounts. So let's say you have 30% to work with for your first month because you will get a 30% commission for any person you can refer to YepText through your promo code or your affiliate link. Now if you want to offer new clients that sign up through your link or through your promo code a discount, you could actually offer them anything up to 30% discount. But you'll notice what happened to your affiliate commission. You are now receiving 0% affiliate commission. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing because after the first month, you will then receive 25% commission from then on because this discount is only going to work for the first month for them. Then they'll go to normal pricing. So this will allow you to get as many people as possible to sign up with a 30% discount, and you will actually not receive anything that first month, but from then on you will receive 25%, which is awesome. So that is one thing. Or if you don't want to offer any discount for anyone, you could obviously do 0 and do your affiliate commission as 30% and go from there. So that is what you can do inside of your affiliate account. It'll also tell you what your total profit to date is, your available balance. You can see recurring accounts, new accounts, breakdown of accounts, and also your clicks, your sales from clicks, and so on. So this is a very, very in-depth affiliate system that we've built for you, and we hope you take action with it. So if you have anyone that you think would be interested in YepText and you want to receive a commission for referring them to join YepText, just sign up as an affiliate and have your have your account linked with your YepText account. When you sign up at the affiliate area, it'll ask you, do you have a YepText account already? You will say yes, and you will just type in your email and your password that you use with your YepText account, and automatically it'll integrate it into your account, so your affiliates tab will be one of your tabs inside of your own account. So that pretty much wraps it up. Very simple. Hopefully you'll be able to use it, and hopefully I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.